Welcome back to Breeze Bites. So let's start this year off light with this bite of the day, okay? So this is a simple cabbage recipe and let's get into it. So at the end of 2022, I kept hearing the words make room because I am in the season of crossing over into the land of promises that my Father has given to me. At first, when I received my promises, I felt like how the children of Israel felt. Although God promised them more and something better, I was still stuck in the past, crying over what God's hand and favor was removed from. So I have had to be more intentional, to stay in a place of gratitude and to shift my mindset over to the fact that God's favor is for my protection and yours too, fam. So when He moves, I moves. With that being said, I am now more obedient and I follow His lead a little bit more closely. And I have also stopped crying over the past, and I am now looking forward to the future while enjoying my present, okay? So the children of Israel also had to do the same thing. God's provision stayed with them as a cloud by day and fire by night. And they had to learn that when the Lord moves on, you do too. So once they made room in their heart and eventually in their life, they realized that they were then ready for the crossover to happen, to make their promises real here on earth as it was already done in heaven. So I obeyed the Lord and I just made room. I cleaned out my closet by throwing away tattered clothes. I threw gifts away from the past. I threw away clothes that didn't fit anymore. I also deleted old pictures, texts, and anything that the Lord just convicted me of. And from there, I was just able to fully move on without holding anything back. You may ask why I had not made room before December 2022, although I received the promises in June of 2022, and that was because I was still holding on to the past and the familiarity that brought me comfort, knowing that it was still making me stagnant. And you can't believe the Lord's promises, but yet still look back at the past, fam. No, you have to shed the old and make way for the new, because making room starts with small changes that lead to a major and big transformation. You cannot remain in the past, but expect a new future. You cannot want something new out of your life, but continue to do the same things that keep you in the same cycles, because that is insanity, as we all know. You must learn how to let go of the past and move on with the new things that the Lord is bringing you, as in people and provision, which welcomes new change in your life, okay? Do what Proverbs 16:3 says. Commit your works to the Lord, submit and trust them to Him, and your plans will succeed if you respond to His will and guidance. So commit your plans to the Lord, fam. This is a new year, and make room for all that He is ready to bring to you. So I challenge you to, in your quiet time today or whenever you have quiet time, get with the Lord and see where you can make room in your life, okay? Love y'all.